Okay. Jesus. Took me a while, but let's see. We have VCSA. VCSA. This one apparently hit the scans. I was on watch, but there's nothing to watch here. I don't know why. TKLF. Another one. This one just got halted. I don't like the daily on it though. Nasty drop from 30 all the way to $6. I wonder what the news is on that one. I don't like the daily on it. I don't know. It doesn't show any bad news. I mean, it's just trading above its IPO price. SRRA. It's another one we had on watch. Nice pre-market chart here, kinda, but it's pulling back too much right now. 5 minute was showing a pennant. That's what it looks like. Line study, trend line. Or a sort of flag, my bad. And that's dropping, so I don't know. We gotta be careful here. It could just start pulling back here and then drop for another bear flag, but the overall market's trying to trend up today, which is good. And this one already had a couple stair step patterns here, so that was kind of the move. But we'll see what this one has. I guess what kind of momentum it has come later on. But for now, CAPR. It's another one that was supposed to be on watch. Just not moving, pretty dead. TKLF. We're gonna go ahead and watch this one on resumption. I'm not really sure if I want to trade it just because of, I don't know, how it dropped from 30 to $6. Like, that's a massive decline. That's the only reason we're seeing this bounce, I feel, at least. But I don't even know where I'd want to get in on this one if I were to get in. It's a recent IPO. CAPR popping up here. Okay. CAPR is coming up to its 50. I'm gonna go ahead and put TKLF up. This one should resume here pretty soon. Actually, let me go back to CPR. I'll watch this one until like it's 36:30 or something. Five minutes pulling back too much on this one. And it's kind of choppy price action. Has me a little nervous on it. If I do happen to take a trade, we do have room here all the way up to 340 and then obviously 350. But from there, we have more room up to 370. Yeah. I like its two candle pullback, but let's go to TKLF. This one's gonna resume here. Okay, so no resumption yet. It's gonna be a 10-minute halt, which I mean, I guess it's a little better. It's resuming a little higher at 611 compared to 602. Go back to CAPR. I kind of want to take an entry on this one right here. I just don't like how choppy it is. Volume is so dead on this one right now. So this one goes, it's gonna go without me because I don't think I'm gonna trade that. It's just dead. Like there's nothing going on here. Volume in this last 1 minute candle is so low. 17,000 compared to this one 90,000 compared to this one 210,000. It's double top there. I don't know. Definitely not feeling this one. SRRA is breaking down below view up now. And absolutely nothing else has hit the scans. So, Jesus. MDRX does not look bad here though. I like its 5 minute. Rolling perfectly here on the 1 minute. Just want to see if it's going to hold above view up. See if it breaks this last 1 minute high. 50. A lot of green coming through, but no movement. 52, 3, 9. So this was a nice move here, but it's just so slow. Again, volume on this one's also really light. So I probably wouldn't trade this one either. I'd have to wait for a 5 minute setup on this one, I think, for a break above 20. Don't trust this one for the 10 minute 10 minute MACD. This one, I mean, it looks okay. Like, it looks like it's gonna climb above view up again here, or it wants to pull back towards view up. So you could take a small trade there. That's basically the move that's happening now. It's trades under view up to view up on pullbacks. Those are kind of the trades to be taking, I guess, because that's the only, so far it's the only place to see the most momentum, and the only place I see the most profit, I guess, ranges. But once they curl above you up, then yeah, they have some nice breaks and some nice moves, but most of the time they don't hold above you up, which kind of sucks. Mara hitting the scans, MDRX. Go back to this one. TKLF. This one's gonna resume here in another minute. And the resumption's even lower. What happened? SRRA. So nice breakthrough view up there in SRRA, but as I just said, we're seeing all these huge pops and then rejection. So I'm not too surprised there. But this made a huge move. I guess from 20, if you got in at 2280 even, all the way to 20, almost 24. So if you just caught that small bounce, and or if you caught that small thing below VWAP to VWAP, then I mean that there was your move. Let's go with TKLF again. This one's gonna resume here. 10 seconds. So there's resumption, market order fill, and looks like it's gonna go straight into another halt here. Nope, not yet. I'm gonna wait this one out. I'm gonna wait for a pullback on it and then a potential buy because it's gonna double top here. The double top high is 48. Hit a high of 49 here, I think. High of 50, I guess. Let's see if it's gonna pull back here. This one's showing at least some strength to it. There's a lot of volume coming in. Want to see it pull back though. Not significantly, but still. There's a tap of 6. Spreads aren't too bad either. We're gonna get a break through 6. 602 for a second. 6 flat. There's a breakthrough 6. That's pulling back a little too much. Now the 5-minute also doesn't look the best. Neither does a 10-minute. Double top here on the 10-minute. I don't know. I don't feel too confident in this one. SRRA is breaking out though. Look at that. SRRA straight into another halt. Or straight into a halt. So this is the one I should have kept on watching. Yeah, I don't even think I can trade it if I'm being honest, but this was a really nice move. So first really nice move I've seen in a while. That was clean. Let's go to TKLF. This one, I mean, pulled back way too much. Has a lot of room to drop on the daily, so I'm not feeling this one. But SRRA made a really nice move here. I don't think I could trade it, but I don't know. I definitely wish I recorded this move because that was a really, really nice move. It did break above VWAP, rejected. Then the second one, we had seen it pop up here. And then the last kind of, obviously, this one just took off into a halt. So I should have known better that when this one popped up and actually held above VWAP, and I had seen that strength there, that this next 1 minute could have just taken off, and that's exactly what it did. But I wasn't watching. I was watching one that I'm more than sure I can trade. It's just this one I don't think I can trade, unfortunately, because now my account hit, you know, a whole new low here. I don't know if I'm able to buy any shares on it. At least not my starter shares. But I do like this one. We'll watch this one anyways. We can go to MD, what is it called? MDRX. So MDRX is breaking below VWAP now. TKLF got halted going down. Jesus. So that was not the one to watch. Besides that, nothing else really. TRQ. I don't know. I like this one for the 5-minute actually. This one's forming a pennant. We had a double top here earlier. And now it's just kind of, or I don't know if it's a pennant or like wedging here. But I'm liking this pattern. Well, it's to the long, I think it's to the long side because the 10-minute looks pretty strong. This is it's so dead on this one. So there's a break in trend. I'm gonna take an entry here at 317. Try to. There, I was filled. And then immediately a drop on me to 312. So maybe I should have waited. I'm literally at the top of this 5-minute candle. If it breaks this 1 minute low, I'm stopping out here. Still showing 316 on the ask. So this could be a pullback candle. I'd probably just got an extremely early. 315 now. There's 16 again. See if we can get 17 and rip through 20. We'd have to break this high here of 320. Once we break through 320, we have room up to 329, I guess. So it's not a lot of room for profit, but still something, I guess. There's 318. Huge seller at 320. It's just not moving here. I'm gonna stop out. So whatever. I shouldn't have even messed with this one, honestly, just because it can break. There's 319 now, so it can break, but I don't like trading stocks that move this slow. I thought it was gonna just start moving here, but I'm not feeling it. It's taking too long to do what it needs to do. It's real choppy too. So oh well, $20 loss. This is mainly a loss on commission, really. So this is 322, 323. So, well, now I wish I would have held, right? That kind of sucks, but look at that, snap back all the way to 314, 310. I'm not even surprised about that either. Jesus, look at that. Massive rejection all the way down to 3. So broke its high and now an immediate rejection. That's super annoying. I don't know. SRRA. This one just resumed as well. So also massive rejection. A lot of red volume coming in here. That sucks to see. Great for anybody who got in on the climb though. That's awesome, but this is nasty. Almost 26 all the way down to 24. 2350, my bad. That's a nasty drop there. Even buying the dip off of VWAP, you're not really making too much profit. It's bouncing, but nothing crazy. I'm surprised it didn't get halted going down right there. I don't even know where the halt level's at. It's not popping up on the level 2. That's a really big drop. That's gross. That sucks to see. So definitely not helping the account trading stocks like CAPR right now. I thought I had more to it. Obviously, I had a false break. I wanted to at least see a rip on my candle. Obviously, it did on the next candle, but I didn't hold long enough to see it, happen. But even then, the profit target or the profit range wasn't even that much. It was about, I don't know, 13 cents away. Like if I sold at 330, didn't even get to 330. It went to 324 and then dropped massively. So I would have lost 17 cents there just to get what, like 8, no, not 8. What am I talking about? Like 7 cents on it. That wouldn't have been worth it. 7 cents and I'm losing 17. It's not worth it. I guess it's a good stop that I had because didn't stop too far below. I just lost really on commission. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna wrap it up because there's just nothing moving here. SRRA had a really nice rip there, but obviously it's way down below now. It's a huge rejection. I'm not too surprised because that's just the way things have been. I was actually surprised about this huge move into a halt, and this move out of the halt is just trashy. Like I said, I'm not too surprised just because the 10-minute had it coming on the MACD, so I'm not like whoa or whatever. I am surprised it dropped this much in one candle. I thought it was gonna drop and slowly decline and then eventually fade out. So I didn't expect that, but I mean, it is what it is. Did what it had, or did what it did. So, what else do we have on watch? TKLF. This one's just gone. This one resumed, but this one's gone. We also had CAPR. Obviously, my trade just flopped there, like bad. That didn't work out at all. I mean, it worked out, I guess. I read the pattern right, but immediately, if I waited a little bit, I thought it was just gonna start ripping here, all the way to 29 or 30. But if I waited a little longer and I took my entry at around 312, and then I held, and sold at around 320 or something, it probably would have been worth it. But obviously, I bought in at the very top of this candle. It just wasn't there. Should have known with the choppiness in the previous candles. I just thought that that one candle would actually have a lot more volume to it. Uh, Besides that, I don't think there's anything else I really had on watch. Scroll through my list here. VCSA was another one. This one, I mean, look at that. Why is this on my scans? I don't get it. I have to improve my scans here, my settings, because that's like, what am I supposed to trade here? BLY. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here, and I will definitely see you guys tomorrow. Uh, I guess on OBS now my Twitch chat's popping up, which is kind of weird because it never pops up. But I still have my mobile thing open anyways. But yeah, I'll go ahead and see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna try and export those videos. As I said, I'm having a lot of problems exporting, or at least, well, not downloading it, but I have to edit the videos a little bit. So I'll go ahead and get those uploaded to YouTube as soon as possible. And yeah, I know I haven't came out in a video in a while. So anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow.